In today's video, I'll show you how to use Spotify Taste Profile. First, open Spotify. Once you're on the homepage, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, look for Taste Profile. Keep in mind that this feature is currently in limited beta testing and may not be available in all regions. For example, I don't have access to it in my region yet. If Taste Profile is available on your account, tap it. Next, enter your preferences in the Tell Us More section. You can describe the types of music, artists, genres, or moods you'd like Spotify to recommend more or less often. After that, tap the send icon. Spotify will process your feedback, and your taste profile along with your home recommendations should update within a few minutes. And that's it! That's how you use Spotify Taste Profile.